Hello everybody, back in the Don Campbell Maker Workshop. The beginning of the plow, and I'm going to show you the progress here. And you already saw some of the little early measurements of how I'm going to design some of these different parts. And I want to show you that I've already got, there's 100 pieces, 100 separate pieces already to the plow that's attached. I got the hitch on. I got the steering cylinder made that moves the drawbar back and forth. I've got the first 6 hydraulic lines sitting there. I've got let's see, the first bolt together frame section there. Then I've got the first 7 holes drilled for the main swivels for the plow bottoms, and I've got the pins made for that, so they'll be nice and sturdy for when that all gets on there. So it doesn't look like much, but there was quite a bit for me to figure out, because I'm normally I just look at something and I just start making it. Well, this had so many crazy different angles that I almost pulled the plug on the project once I started. But now, after I told Darren the first day after I started, it was 99% sure I was going to pull the plug. And the next day I told him 95% or something. Well, he'll be glad to hear that today it's probably, I'd say 50% that I'm going to pull the plug, because now I'm at the point where I can see a little bit of progress. Even though it's only the first section, there's a second section, there's a third section, there's 1,000 pieces to be made, and not made, but there will be 1,000 pieces when it's done, because I'm counting the nuts and bolts too. So here you can see me starting to mark out just a few of the early pieces for the bottoms, and I marked it down. I wrote it down that there are 80. There's 80 more pieces right there once them are all cut out, and there's probably 200 holes I got to drill. And in the frame I've already drilled 50 holes. So there's quite a bit to it that people don't really realize, and just all the little holes I have to drill. So I'll show you tomorrow how I'm going to actually cut out a couple of these pieces tomorrow and show you how I notch these out. You know how I drill them, but I'll show you how I notch those out. And then I'll do one of these parts here tomorrow for you. And I'll do a couple of these little ones just so you can get an idea. And then these here are pretty easy to do. So anyway, that's my progress on the big plow. We'll talk to you later.